Let's learn science with Liam. Liam rubbed a balloon on his sweater. It stuck to the wall.
Wow, that's static electricity.
He said. Liam shouted.
If it can stick to walls, maybe it can run a fan.
He grabbed a toy fan and tried to power it with the balloon, but nothing happened. The fan didn't move at all, not even a little. Liam went to his science teacher.
Why can't static electricity power this fan?
Mr. Spark smiled.
Good question. Static has high voltage, but very little current. It's like a loud clap with no push.
Mr. Spark showed Liam a door alarm.
When you touch the door, a small charge sets off this light.
Whoa, so it can't run a motor, but it can send signals?
Exactly.
Said Mr. Sparks.
Static is great for sensors and warnings.
Liam didn't build a fan that day, but he made a cool static touch lamp for his room. He learned.
Even small sparks can do smart things.
Comprehension quiz 1. What happened? When Liam rubbed the balloon? A. It turned into a battery. B. It stuck to the wall. C. It made the fan spin. 2. Why couldn't the fan run? A. It was broken. B. It had too much electricity. C. Static electricity has little current. 3. What did Liam build in the end? A. A big fan. B. A static touch lamp. C. A robot.
Did you know? Static electricity can't power machines, but it's used in smart ways around us. Touch-free sensors can detect your hand and turn on lights. Some detectors send static to protect electronics. Faucets and automatic doors use it too. Small sparks, smart uses.
Great job, everyone! Thanks for watching. See you next time.